Hey guys, LJ here, and today I have a beautiful bag by Take Easy to share with you, and this one is a fun one. I have a collaboration with Take Easy. They send me some of their bags, I try them out, and then I share my experience and my thoughts on the bags with you. Most of the time I receive from Take Easy just genuine leather, genuine suede bags that are in solid colors, and their color combinations are very pretty. They seem to get their colors are spot on. This one is an unusual one for Take Easy in that it is a snakeskin style look to it. They have this in 4 beautiful colors, and I will say the color online for this one, the coloring, the picture for this one online looks more like a teal green. It is a beautiful emerald green. I was pleasantly surprised when I received this, that this is the color of it in person. So pretty. So if you've been looking for this bag, looking at it online and you weren't sure of the color, this is the actual color of it. It is a beautiful emerald green with that snakeskin texture. Now, this is genuine Italian suede. Now, typical Italian suede is very soft, that velvety texture. Take Easy also has a metallic suede that almost feels like they're pebbled leather. It's a little bit more of a smooth material. This one is somewhere in the middle of that. This is not the velvet texture. It is a little bit of a velvet feel to it. It's a very soft feel to this. I was not expecting it from the color, and even the shine of it didn't give me that, but it is very soft. It doesn't have the fuzziness of a standard traditional suede, but it isn't quite the pebbled leather feel that the metallic suede has on it. This is a beautiful bag, and I absolutely love this snakeskin look. So if you were going for a solid black outfit, but you want a little pop of something fun, this is the way to go. This bag is so neat. It is a crossbody style, so it can be crossbody like this. I'm 5'6". There is adjustment still on this crossbody, so if you are taller or shorter, you can absolutely adjust this however you would want to adjust it. And I've already dropped it now, but this is such a cute feature. This makes it a little hand clutch, so you can take off the crossbody straps all together and just attach this little clutch here to it, little hand strap to it. So let's get that off, and then I will show you the details of the bag. So this one is, again, I'm 5'6". You saw that was where that was on me, on my hip. You still have some adjustment room in there, and this is also made in that beautiful Italian suede material in that snakeskin design. You have more adjustment there. You can also adjust this shorter and even use it as a shoulder bag, which is how I typically love to use crossbody straps. Well, I'll put that down there, and let me attach this little clutch one, because this is a unique feature for them. So here I can absolutely just carry this as a clutch. How fun is that? This is a perfect size bag to carry it this way as well. So let's get up close and I'll show you. You have a great, let me get this on the other hand. Actually, I should strap this, I think, on this other side over here. This is going to make more sense. Then as I'm holding this, I can hold the end of this. Yes, I've got it going now. And then I can zip it up. The hardware works perfect, as it always does with them. They have the gold hardware there, and then the zipper pull is also, you have the little tab there that is in the snakeskin leather. The inside of this is their standard twill material that they put in on so many of their bags that is so nice. It holds its shape to the bag very, very well, and is super easy to wipe out and keep clean. I love this texture. They had this in one of their bags that I use as a daily driver, and it's so nice to be able to just take a damp cloth and wipe it out when I get it too dirty. It is a very nice material. You have the Take Easy logo there on the side pocket on this side, and that is a very good size little pocket there. It is pretty deep, actually, and good size. So all your little small things that you want to keep separate and be able to get to quickly, you can store them in that little pocket. The other side of that is just the smooth twill material. This will hold a good bit of stuff, and it holds its shape very well. This is a very sturdy little bag. The stitching on this is just a tucked in seam type texture, so you're not seeing a lot of stitching on this one here. And then again, you have a great little zipper there. Such a cute bag. And again, it comes in 4 colors. I haven't seen the other 3 in person. One is a black, and then I think there's a gray, and I think there may be a taupe or a brown color. But I would definitely say this one here looks more teal in the pictures online, and it is a beautiful emerald green, a darker color than what I expected when I saw the pictures and then when I got it in person. And for me, this is a classier, just a prettier look to it. So I would say the others are probably going to lean. They probably brighten the pictures for the products, product images. I would expect them to be maybe a deeper, richer color than what you're seeing in it online, especially for this green one here. Highly recommend this. I love this as a little clutch, just as a way to add a little bit of pop of interest to an outfit without overdoing, but still having such a statement look. It's very unusual. You're not going to have a lot of people having any kind of bag like this. So pretty. The material feel, it has such a nice feel to this material. I just kind of keep rubbing it. It has a very nice feel to it. Highly recommend this bag. I hope this review helps. I hope you're having a great day, and thanks so much for watching.